Hey guys, it's Tuesday, April 28th. Today we're going to take 9.5 notes. It's all about the volume of pyramids, so make sure you get your 9.5 notes in front of you before you start. This is the warm-up. I would like to do one with you before you start on your own. So we're going to need to multiply some fractions today, so I was going to do a little bit of a practice or a refresher on how to do that. There's a couple ways to go about this. You absolutely can cross cancel where 15 is over 1 and 3 goes into 15 5 times and 3 goes into 3 1 time, and now we can just multiply across and you'll get 10. And you can do that and it works great. Make sure that you cross cancel properly. Or you can just multiply straight across and then reduce. So 2 times 15 is 30. 3 times 1 is 3, and 30 over 3 is 10. So I got the same answer. They both work great. Choose which method works best for you. Pause the video, give it a shot, and then unpause and we'll review. So I'm looking at number 2. You have a multiplication chart in your binder from before, so you can use your multiplication chart here too. 3 times 8 is 24. And 24 over 4 is 6. 7 times 6 is 42 over 10. And when we divide by 10, we just move the decimal one time, 4.2. All right, here's our essential question for 9.5 notes. How do you find the volume of a pyramid? Take your time, write it down, pause the video, go back. Here's our key idea. Finding the volume does have a formula. We're going to follow it every single time, just like we did for prisms last week. But the formula is a little bit different. And if I had you in person, we would do a little experiment today, and I would pour water into a prism, and I would show you that there is 3 pyramids worth of water in a prism. And I promise that it works, and there are probably videos on YouTube that you could see. I promise it works. The volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Capital B means area of the base, so we'll need to find that first, area of base. Let's do some practice together. This is the first one. This is the first one in your notes. And we're going to find the volume of this pyramid. So the first thing you need to do is write down the formula. Volume is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. And I'm going to write some steps. Write the formula. Now the next step is find the area of the base. And if you're looking at this picture has a lot of sides. It's a hexagonal base, and they tell you the area. Capital B. They tell you that the area is 48. Oops, I didn't want to write that. They tell you that the area is 48 meters squared. So here it is. They did it for us. Now the next thing you'll need to do is substitute in the values. Okay, so volume is 1/3 area of the base, they told us what it was, times the height, which is here in red, and it meets at a perpendicular right angle right there. The very last thing you should do is evaluate. Multiplication is commutative, so you can choose the order in which you multiply. You can multiply the two numbers first and then divide by the fraction, or you can multiply by a third. Up to you. Personally, I look at this and I say 1/3 of 9 is 3. 9 divided by 3, that's 3. And 3 times 48 is 144. Make sure you're pausing the video and taking notes where you need to. Go back and view the video however many times you need to. Let's try some more. This is the next one on your notes, letter A. It says find the volume of the pyramid. We're going to do the exact same thing we did before. Write the formula, find the area of the base, substitute, and evaluate. So here we go. Volume is 1/3 area of the base times the height. Find the area of the base. So the shape of the base is a rectangle. It's right here. Length times width. The length is 3, the width is 4, the area is 12. Next thing we're going to do is substitute. 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Now you'll evaluate. Use a calculator. 1/3 of 12 is 4, and 4 times 7 is 28. Let's do another one. Same steps. Write the formula down. The area of the base, or the shape of the base right here. This time it's a triangle. So to find the area of the base, we need to use the triangle formula. And the base triangle is highlighted in orange. Its base is 17.5. Its height is 6. Half of 6 is 3, and 3 times 17.5 is 52.5. Now we'll substitute in our values. I've got 1/3, the area of the base that I just found, and the height of the pyramid is 10. Now you can multiply in any way you want, any direction that you want, and I got 175. It's Tuesday, so there are office hours today at 1 o'clock. If you need help, please come get the help that you need. Watch the videos, try the homework. Don't submit homework today. You've got a whole nother day to practice and try. Summarize your notes, make them better, make them pretty, and I will see you tomorrow.